Hello everyone, this is Oshani from Cheenta.com. So today we will be solving a problem from ISI BStat BMath entrance. ISI entrances are one of the most challenging math competitions after high school in India. If you are interested in mathematics, statistics, physics and so on, Indian Statistical Institute and Chennai Mathematical Institute are two of the best places to do those subjects in India. Cheenta has two programs for ISI-CMI entrances. One is the live classroom program. You can check that out in the link in the description. And the other one is the self-paced program. You can just watch the video lectures, take the tests and take the mock tests and so on. That link is also in the description. So this problem is a geometry and trigonometry problem. We'll learn a couple of things while doing this problem. The first one is the sine rule and the second one is the trigonometric equations. So at the end of this video, I'll also give you a challenge problem. If you can do it, please put a comment in the description. We usually award best commenters every month. So what does this problem say? It says, suppose we have a triangle ABC and it's given that angle A is equal to angle 3B. So angle A here is 3 times the angle B. It's also given that the side length of A, small a, which is opposite to the vertex A, this side length is twice this side length, the side opposite to angle B. So side opposite to angle A is twice the side opposite to angle B, and angle A is itself 3 times angle B. With this information, can you say anything about the triangle? For example, can you show that the triangle is right angled? Okay, so what we will do is we will use a very powerful tool from trigonometry called the sine rule. What does the sine rule say? So the sine rule says that if you have a triangle ABC, ABC, then sine of angle A by the side A, the length of the side A, is equal to sine of angle B divided the length of the side B is equal to sine of angle C divided by the length of side C. That is the sine rule. How can you prove the sine rule? Well, there are many ways of doing it. I'll give you a very quick review of that. Take the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. So this is A, B, C. Okay, let's put it like this. ABC. And let's suppose we have O as the center of the circle. There is a construction. We will join AO and produce it to meet the circumference at B prime and join B prime C. Now, one thing we know from triangle and circle geometry is that this arc AC is creating ABC and AB prime C. So angle created by the same arc are equal. So these two angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle B prime. Also, we know that this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Why? Because this is the diameter. Therefore, this is the angle in the semicircle. So, sine of angle B is equal to sine of B prime, which is, now we have a right triangle. So sine of this angle is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is small b, which is opposite to angle B as well. So small b divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is twice the radius, the diameter of the circumcircle. So 2r. So what is sine b by small b? It is just 1 by 2r. That's a constant. You can do the same thing, constant with respect to this particular circle. So you can easily show that 1 by 2r is also equal to sine A by A and sine C by C. So all three of them are equal, and in fact they're equal to 1 over 2r. This is the sine rule and how you can prove it. Alright. So in this particular picture, we have sine of A by small a is equal to sine of B by small b. But we know that A is 3b, the angle A is 3 times b, and small a is 2b. So we can replace that. So we have sine of 3b by twice small b equal to sine of b by small b. Okay, so b and b cancels off. We can cancel it off because small b is not 0, of course. And what we have, sine b is equal to twice of sine 3b is equal to twice of sine b. Sine 3b is equal to twice of sine b. Right? Okay. So now we have a sine 3b formula. We can use the sine 3b formula. So we have 3 sine b minus 4 sine cube b is equal to 2 sine b. So this is the expansion of sine 3b formula. Right? So let's bring everything to one side. We now have so-called a trigonometric equation. We can easily find out or try to solve for sine b. Sine b is our variable here. So sine b is the variable t here, right? So in fact we have 3t minus 4t cube equal to 2t. But I'll not use t, I'll just use sine b. That will make the calculations simpler. So I'm not going to use t, but I just use t for this one step to just show you that this is just an equation which you can solve. It's a cubic equation that you can solve. You can solve for the value of t. Of course, you will have 3 solutions. Cubic equations have 3 solutions. Okay. Now, we have 4t cubed. So let's bring everything to this side. So 4 sine cube b minus sine b is equal to 0. This is an easy cubic because we can sort of take out stuff and take stuff common. So sine b I can take common. We have 4 sine square b minus 1 equal to 0. We can again factorize it. So sine b, 2 sine b minus 1, 2 sine b plus 1. A plus b times a minus b equal to a square minus b square. I'm using that formula. So this is 0. So now we have 3 factors. So either sine b is equal to 0 or 2 sine b minus 1 is equal to 0 or sine b equal to half, and 2 sine b plus 1 equal to 0 or sine b equals to negative half. Now here comes the challenge question. I will discard these 2 cases. I will not take sine b equal to 0 and sine b equals to negative half. These 2 solutions. Can anyone in the audience tell me why I can safely discard these 2 solutions? Okay. Check the comment in the descriptions and you can try to put your answer there. Okay. So I'm just going to take this one. So sine b is equal to half. B is an angle of a triangle. So b is less than 180 degree. So we can assume b to be 30 degree. Again, why? Okay. Because the other value of b that is possible, we know that is too large, because a is equal to 3b. So if b itself is obtuse, then a will be larger than 180 degree, which is not possible. It's an angle of a triangle. So we have to take b equal to 30 degree. Very careful, because there are two values of b from 0 to 180 degree that satisfies, you have to exactly tell why you can choose just the 30 degree value. Mathematics is a precise endeavor. You have to be very precise what's going on. So b is 30 degree, so a is 90 degree, so the other angle is 60 degree. Therefore, it's a right angle triangle. So all of these subtleties are there. Why can you choose? Why can you discard these two values? Why can you choose b equal to 30 degree? All of these are subtleties that you should be very, very careful about, particularly if this problem comes as a subjective problem. All right. So if you like this sort of problem solving, check the link in the description for more details and stay with us. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.